The next experiment is to build a pneumatic circuit for the automatic reciprocating of double acting cylinder. So here, what are the let us see what are the components required. Everything basic is we need compressor and 5 by 2 valve, and we need air service unit, that is FRL unit, and in 5 by 2 and select double acting cylinder. So these are the components required. In 5 by 2 valve, you select solenoid in both the sides. Select solenoid in both the sides of the valve. Okay, and click OK. Now make the name it as S1, and in S2 on other side. Okay. Now let us connect all the components as shown in the video. Make it as exhaust. Okay, and this also make it as exhaust. Okay, and connect it to the compressor. Now connect the valve to the cylinders. So this is the electro-pneumatic circuit. This is electro-pneumatic circuit. So let us build the electrical circuit for this experiment. So we need 2 volts, one is 0 volt, another one is 24 volts, and select 2 solenoid valves, solenoid valve 1, solenoid valve 2. And for the operation of these 2 solenoid valve, we need 2 make switches, and name it as L1, another one name it as L2, okay, and select the limits for that cylinder. Just double click on the cylinder and you get 10 dialog box. In the dialog box, select edit, and in the first box you write L1 and make it as 0, and for L2 you make it as 100, that is limits 0 to 100. Okay, 0 100, okay, and it also okay. It is the limits L1 L2, and select on the detent switch for the common connection. Now connect the components, connect it to the common line, and connect the solenoid valves to the respective limit switches. Connect the detent switch to the both limit switches. And connect detent switch to the 24 volts. Okay, and I name it as S1, and here name it as S2. Okay, now let us check how the circuit will operate. Start and switch on the detent valve, and now see the automatic reciprocating of double acting cylinder, how it will work. Alternatively, limit switch 1 will on, alternatively limit switch 2 will on.